Alright guys, welcome back to my mechanic. We're here in our cave or garage. This is going to be a quick video. It's not going to be very long. '07 Altima, customer complaining that they hear a clicking or ticking noise, more of a ticking noise that like maybe under 5 miles an hour, 2-3 miles an hour. And it's getting very annoying. So we're going to take a look at it and see what's happening. It's coming from the left front, they say. So stick around and we'll be right back and check it out. Alright guys, we got the wheel off on the '07 Altima with the little clicking noise from 1 to 5 miles an hour. And this is what we found here. Okay, this is a cotter pin for the axle. I would guess every time it rotates, it draws back and forth, and you can hear that, and it's annoying. You drive it for a while, it's annoying. It probably gets in a certain spot right there where it doesn't do that much, but when it does this, it gets a lot of play there. So we're gonna go ahead and replace that cotter pin, take a drive, and we'll let you know how it turns out. Otherwise than that, there's no sense in putting a bunch of money into it. It's just a cotter pin. You take it somewhere, get it checked out. It's going to cost you money. All right. Gonna go ahead and another one in there, and I wouldn't just try to reuse this. These things are one-time use. Yeah, it's already turning weak, so very simple. New one, very inexpensive product. It's a little way longer than what it needs to be, so working trim it. Oh, you gotta be careful because it shoots out like a bullet, so don't point it at yourself or no one. You will hurt yourself. You'll shoot your eye out, kid. Yeah, okay, if you want to see it this way. Yeah. Stuck nice and good. I usually just tap it a little and it kind of locks in there. There you go. Right tool for the right job. Okay. And the other one doesn't really need two of them, but you should be careful because once you clip this, it will shoot out. So put something there. Always wear safety glasses, protection. I've been doing this so long, it's like I know where it's gonna go. Unpredictable. All right, so now it's not moving. I think we're good on that right now. All right, guys. As you can see, it was something very simple, very inexpensive. $2-3 cotter pin can cost you some money and stuff. Unfortunately, we were unable to record the noise it was making, but believe me, it was annoying and stuff. So if you got somewhere to get this fixed, it'll be 1 hour labor, at whatever their rate, shop rate is or dealer rate is. It could cost you some money for something very simple. So, just be aware it was not an unsafe situation. So, always get your stuff checked out by a professional. And that pretty much concludes our video. So, if you like this, if it helped you, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on our next one from our cave in our garage. Okay.